We get off at the next station. We get off at the next station. Get ready. Get ready. Stand up. Stand up. Be regular. Be regular. He made a mistake. He made a mistake. Some more. Some more. Let us do. Let us do. Get out. Get out. Polish my shoes. Polish my shoes. Turn the tap on. Turn the tap on. I will be back soon. I will be back soon. Go down. Go down. Try again. Try again. Work hard. Work hard. Avoid him. Avoid him. Don't travel. Don't travel. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. In time. In time. Let them do. Let them do. Lead him. Lead him. Make the bed. Make the bed. Wait outside. Wait outside. Let him do. Let him do. Let's go. Let's go. Feel at home here. Feel at home here. Go now. Go now. Play here. Play here. Sit properly. Sit properly. Let me speak fast. Let me speak fast. Don't spit. Don't spit. Let me do. Let me do. Don't tell. Don't tell. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Sit still. Sit still. Stop him. Stop him. Come here. Come here. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. Don't go. Don't go. Stop here. Stop here. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Don't swear for anything. Don't swear for anything. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. Don't break it. Don't break it. Beware of imitation. Beware of imitation. Do this. Do this. Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't backbite. Don't backbite. Don't fight. Don't fight. Be reasonable. Be reasonable. Where did you go? Where did you go? Hands up. Hands up. Listen to me. Listen to me. Let us play tipcat. Let us play tipcat. I am just looking. I am just looking. Shut the door. Shut the door. Be cautious. Be cautious. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Go away. Go away. Don't do. Don't do. Start now. Start now. Say your lesson. Say your lesson. Go there. Go there. Don't smoke. Don't smoke. Come back. Come back. Don't pluck the flowers. Don't pluck the flowers. Let us enjoy. Let us enjoy. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Respect your teacher. Respect your teacher. Clean nicely. Clean nicely. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. Obey the rules. Obey the rules. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't forget. Don't forget. Don't move. Don't move. Unpack things. Unpack things. Go ahead. Go ahead. Stop here. Stop here. Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. Clean the floor. Clean the floor. Turn the tap off. Turn the tap off. Let's clean our room. Let's clean our room. Don't argue. Don't argue. Post this later. Post this later. Don't shirk work. Don't shirk work. Don't forget. Don't forget. Be careful. Be careful. Sit down. Sit down. Don't eat too much. Don't eat too much. No one will know. No one will know. Calm down. Calm down. I go every year. I go every year. Good for you. Good for you. Is he still here? Is he still here? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.